Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just posted another video, so go check that out. Yeah. So I am in the party, April Fool's party, so I'm just gonna check this out and, I have seen this before, if y'all wanna see. Okay. So there is apparently new items, exclusive items here for April Fool's. There is a pie face, a Dizzy Stars, bunny teeth, hypno glasses, shark cat, and a bug cat. And then two more, which is the frying pan and the glove hat. So yeah. Right now, I am gonna actually, just to make sure, I'm gonna see if they have the magenta frying pan, cause I don't know if that's in stores or is that like a rare item. So yeah. So I'm gonna just see real quick. Oh yes, it is in stores, guys. So the magenta frying hat is in stores. I'm gonna buy a few. Okay guys, so it can't be purchased right now. What? How come I see other people buying it then? Oh well, we'll have to buy that one day. I don't even know. Is my buddy request off? Or, did I buddy someone? I'm not really sure, but I am lagging a lot. So, yeah, okay, there we go. I think I'm good. I think there is a store over here. I'm not really sure. Okay. So there is sliced bread stepping stones, upside down ice cream cone, a misshapen window, a banana peel donut table, macaroni pet house, wacky table, oddly shaped rug, silly chair, and a warped lamp. I might want to buy the upside down ice cream, but I'm not gonna have enough gems. So yeah. I'm gonna have to buy that one day when I do get more gems. So yeah. Last video I was just checking it talking about the update. It was a really good update. I'm using my spring den right here. Where is it? Okay, guys. I don't know why this car is all the way over there, but yeah. Now this is like a little playground area. I'm gonna put some of the trees over here since it is a little spring theme. Well, I think it is spring theme, but it looks really good. Like, I just love these trees, guys. It's like my new favorite fashionable trees. Okay. I say that's good enough. I should really put these over here, actually, cause, yeah. So let's just put these over here to make it look very naturey, cause I like nature dens. Yeah. So that looks good. And then, this is the bottom half of my den, with the little windows over here. I should buy one of these. Just buy this, guys. What? Can I not buy anything? I'm gonna have to refresh my page, cause this is really annoying me. Okay. Let's see if there's, okay, no, there's nothing new here. I could buy, like, or maybe, okay, there we go. 22 gems, guys. I'm at 232 gems. I'm clearly blind. Okay. Put the flowers there and the hot tea there. Okay, guys, so this looks really good. This is like a little bedroom and the bathroom area. This is just another bedding area. Next video, I will be doing this spring adventure. See if we get any good prizes. So yeah. Okay. I really haven't used this then in a really long time. I say, and it looks like it's in good shape still. Of course, cause I can't yeah. Looks really good. Yeah. This is my spring den, if y'all want to go check it out. And is my buddy request off? Okay, my buddy request is off. I don't know who I buddied, but, I think it's someone that, yeah, I think I buddied them, a few, days ago. So yeah. I haven't really heard about the spring bunny. The new spring bundle comes with the otter and stuff. Hold on, I'm gonna check that out real quick. See what they have. Okay, let's see. Oops, okay. This is the spring bundle. If anyone wants to, buy the spring bundle, I don't think I'll be buying it. Because, of course, I already have membership. So, this otter is really cute. Oh my gosh, guys, this is what the saber-tooth tiger looks like. I just noticed that. I do have a lot of accounts because, God, I make so many accounts, and I remember when I was when my friends tried giving me OMG, thanks. You're welcome. Oh, I love this masterpiece. I like that masterpiece. No problem. I'm just gonna save there in my vid. Oh, this is the person who I buddied. Yeah. So I might just hang around and talk to my buddies tomorrow or something XDDD. Shout out to Worm Cobalt. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce your name, but shout out to this person. They seem like a really nice person, so yeah. I really need to give away some of my stuff. I will probably be giving away some of my designer skirts, some of my flower crowns. I'll be giving away one of my royal tiaras. Okay. Basically what I'm giving away. And then designer skirts. Phantom. And then rares. Giveaway. Hold on. Give away this mustache. And then I'll be giving away I think I'll be giving away this this flower crown right here, so this is all I will be giving away, so comment down below your username on this video or my other video or on one of my recent videos to win this, and just comment down below your username and which one you want, and I'll be giving this away to y'all. But make sure you are subscribed, because, yeah. Oh, hi. Okay, but y'all already saw, because I really do need to take these off, and then just putting that, because, wait, why did I put that on shade? No, I meant to put this. Oof, I'm sorry. Hi. I really want to try trading for that black long, since I no longer have one. Scammers really hurt. How are you doing? Great. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you all for watching, and I already told you how to do the giveaway. So just rewind if you didn't hear, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.